I said reverse the oars!
No, we can't.
Turn this ship around! Do not retreat! We will finish him!
Aw, thanks, Dad. I'm pretty impressed with myself, too.
Have I ever done that with my hands?
Just did.
There you go. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
Never. Oh, such a magnificent creature.
One hand poked the blade and monstrous nightmare saliva. The other sprays hideous silhouette.
I liked your fire sword so much I made my own, with improvements.